So hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. So guys, today I'm going to do my nails and I'm going to do my pedic. I'm going to do pedicure at home. I usually do my pedicure. So as you can see, my nails are very yeah, it's during winter. I just wear closed shoes. So I usually don't take care of my nails that much, but now that it's starting to be okay, now it's spring, it's warm outside, so most of the time we'll be starting wearing sandals and open shoes and whatnot. So today I'm going to do my pedicure at home, and I have my pedicure machine here, and I'm going to show you the products that I'm going to use just to do my nails. So I'm going to use this nude nail polish from Essence, and after I finish doing my pedicure, this is just a nail art express dry drop, so I use that one to make my nail polish dry quickly. This is sorry guys, this is nail oil that I'm going to use. I bought this one from the Lidl if you live in the Netherlands, and it's from Shein. It's very nice. And I'm also going to oil my feet with this, the babasu oil papaya. And I'm going to use I usually use body scrub to scrub my feet, so I'm going to use this one from Rituals of Down. And I'm going to scrub my leg with this. It's a very soft kind of yeah, it's used for scrubbing your legs, your feet. So I'm going to use this to scrub my feet. And also I have this one is a brush, and also it's just like the other one, but it's from the pedicure machine. So I'm just going to do that. So first of all, I'm going to fill the water in here in this pedicure machine of mine, and then I'll put my feet. I put the scrub. I put my feet inside to soak, and then I scrub it, and then I will just scrub it with this or the other one, or this one, just to scrub my hair, because I have dry feet, as you can see. So I'm going to remove that because of cold. When it's cold during winter, I usually have a very dry feet, though my foot is all time in the socks and in the shoes, but they are very dry. They're dry during summer, they are not dry. So anyway, so let's go ahead and start. Let me put water in my pedicure machine, and then we start. So guys, I've soaked my feet for like 30 minutes, and now I'm scrubbing it with the thing that is meant for scrubbing. I'm removing the dead skin under my feet, and then I'm just going ahead to take my body scrub and scrub more. You just see what I'm doing. So yeah guys, So guys, I'm taking this small wooden for removing the cuticles, and because I've soaked my feet in the water for a long time, to remove the cuticle is very easy. As you can see, there's a lot of cuticles, so that's what I'm doing right there. I'm removing all the cuticles, and when it's already soaked, so it's very easy, you don't hurt yourself. So I use the wooden one and it comes right off. That's the secret. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to do all of them, and then you just see, guys.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bottom below. You said myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. I know the truth.
So guys, I've already applied my nail polish, so I'm going to use my Essence Express dry drops to make my nail polish dry quickly. And I'm just putting one drop, and within a second, it's 2 seconds, 3 seconds, like that, or 5 seconds, for example. Let me say that it's all dry up. So that's what I'm going to do right there. I've already done that. And guys, this is how I do my pedicure. I'm not saying it's supposed to be done like this, but this is how I do my own pedicure, because sometimes people twist things. Oh, it's not supposed to be done that. This is how I do my own pedicure. So if you think it's informative for you, or you want to try it, you can try it. So guys, thank you, and continue watching. So guys, I've already done my pedicure, and now I'm done. Let me bring you closer. You can see my nail polish. So I just use the nude one from Essence that I told you, because I usually like to have nude on my toes, nail toes. So toes nail, okay, toes nail. So is it that way? It's English is not my first language anyway. So that's what I've done, and I really love it. As you can see guys, my legs are clean, neat, and moisturized, and I just love everything. You can see guys, very nice, looks very nice. I love it. So thank you guys very much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and share, comment, and like. Yes, and I will see you on my next video. Be blessed, be you, do you, all will fall into its perfect place. I see you next time. Mwah. Bye.